G'day everyone, well welcome to another episode of Full Pelt Adventures. Tonight, quick video, going to be installing the headlight protector, and also I'll be showing you the USB install that I've done also, and the clutch lever wiring hack that I've also done on the DR650. So first of all, the headlight protector. Now I bought this from Adventure Bike Australia. It's the what is it? It's the Parabellum. Whether you can see that Parabellum headlight protector. Adventure Bike Australia. It was $37.95. Bought this a couple of months ago. I haven't installed it, but anyway, it's a pretty bloody easy install. This is how it comes. So it's already got Velcro pads already stuck to it, and all you've got to do is just remove the clear backing on each pad and stick it straight onto the headlight. So very, very easy. So I've cleaned the inside of the headlight protector. I've also cleaned the headlight on the DR650, so that's all ready to go. I've used this wax and grease remover. So that's the headlight's clean, so this is sort of ready for the install, and I'll just quickly go over the install. So just clean and dry the headlight lens thoroughly to ensure the Velcro holds securely. Remove the plastic covering the adhesive on the back of the Velcro dots. Position the headlight cover over your headlight and press firmly onto the headlight. And give the adhesive 24 hours before trying to remove the headlight guard. This ensures the adhesive has enough time to completely set. So that's the instructions there. These headlight guards are made of military aircraft grade 3/16 inch cast acrylic. Protect the vulnerable headlights from rocks, roosts, branches and mud. These covers take the hit so your headlight does not. Optical clarity of the cast acrylic ensures headlight brightness and projection are minimally affected, while impact and abrasion properties ensure headlights will survive through gravel and rock impacts. The guards are held securely to the headlight with an industrial strength hook and loop Velcro system. So yeah, this is it's good stuff. And looking at the Suzuki website on the parts finder, the headlight on these things is something like $370. So if you break that headlight, you're up for a lot of money. So for $38 or whatever these cost, or any sort of headlight protection, is probably a good investment. Anyway, let's get into it. So I'll just peel the clear backing off this. Okay guys, a little bit fiddly, but there's the little clear plastic backings that come on each 4 pads. So I've taken them off. So I'll bring the camera down to the DR650, and basically we just push this thing straight on. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, here's the headlight protector. Let's see if we can put it on without mucking it up. Hopefully my head's not going to... Oh, Jesus. Yes. Ooh. That might have been easy with the cowling off. Anyway, let's just go bang. Straight off. That's it. So you're just giving a look at the side there. Okay guys, so I've already taken the headlight shroud off. So I'll just show you this eBay USB charger that I've installed just behind the headlight shroud. Now this was, I suppose I'm just copying off Jason from Biker Bytes. He did this install and I thought that's a great place to put it. A little bit difficult to put the USB charging cable in there, and it might need a right angle adapter possibly, but at the moment I'm just running it this way. So if I can get the camera down in there, so at the front of it there's an on-off switch, and then around the outside there you'll see 11, 11.4, 11.8, 12.12 marks there, and there's sort of LED lights that light up when the system's turned on. So that's the install I did there. So yeah, just drilled a hole in the cowling, and the wires that come with it also have a fuse. You can see a fuse just down in there, and then it's just wired directly into the auxiliary plug. So the auxiliary plug, just look for the brown and black and white wire that comes out to an auxiliary plug, and then I've just shoved the wires into that auxiliary plug and taped it up with some electrical tape. So a bit of a dodgy job there, but I just wanted to see how it run, and it seems to be working fine. Okay, so the other thing I wanted to show you while we've got all this open is disconnecting the clutch switch. So in its standard form, the DR650 has this clutch switch here, and that means you have to have the clutch pulled in to start the motorcycle, and that's really annoying. So to disconnect that function, so you don't have to have the clutch pulled all the way in to start it, you just follow this wire around, so it comes up through here, down around here, and it comes out here with these green and yellow wires, and one feeds into the green and yellow wire into this loom, and the other one feeds into the other green and yellow wire feeding in where all these orange wires are. So all you have to do is pull these out, and you'll notice that that's a brass coloured fitting, and it's like an aluminium type coloured fitting. And then on the other end, so yeah, where are we? So this particular wire, which comes from the clutch, both fittings here, the male and female, are aluminium coloured, and then the other two wires here are brass fittings, so the male and female are brass fittings. All you've got to do is connect these two wires together. Try and do that one. I'll just sort of lightly push them in there, but this is what you do. You just connect those, and then these wires coming from the clutch, just to keep them out of the way, I just connect these together as well. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll bring you back. Okay, so now I've completed that. So the wire there coming from that loom there is joined up, so the two brass coloured ones are joined together, so it's bypassing that switch now. And there's this the two wires from the clutch lever, and they're just doing nothing, so I've just pushed them together so that it just keeps them out of the way. So now, doing that quick mod there, you don't need to pull the clutch in to start the bike, so I'm happy with that.